What's your name?
My name is Abhirana.
Okay, good. Andhresh,
Amravati,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Goa,
Panaki,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Karnataka,
Bangalore,
Kerala,
Trivandrum,
Gujarat,
Kannada,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Odisha,
Odisha,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Bihar,
Patna,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Himachal Pradesh,
Rajsingha,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
West Bengal,
Kolkata,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Assam,
Dispur,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Punjab.
Chandigarh,
Okay. National anthem.
Janaganamana,
National animal. National animal.
Tiger,
Good. National bird.
Peacock,
National flower.
Lotus,
National game.
Hockey,
National fruit.
Mango,
Good job. ఎవరు నేర్పించారు?
Mummy.
Mummy. All this credit goes to her mother. Okay? Good job.